Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Realme 5i. First of all, go into Play Store on both devices and tap on the search bar. Then you need to type Send Anywhere and download this free app. Then open it. Now click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. After that, you need to select Send on an Android and Receive on Realme. After that, click on all of those kind of dots and select Send in order to send all of your files. It will take some time though, so I will only click on this one photo, select Send and click Got it. From here we have two ways to connect. You can input this key over here and choose Receive or scan QR code. If you want to scan it, click on the scanning icon on Realme, then choose Allow and point your camera at the QR code. Now we need to wait again. And as you can see, my picture was successfully transferred. But if you want to check it out for sure, you can always go into File Manager app, click on in my case Photos and go into Send Anywhere folder. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!